Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I am going to show you guys how to replace the camera on an iPhone 6S, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you'll need a pentalobe screwdriver or screwdriver bit, depending on what type of screwdriver you're using, and screw out the two bottom screws on the bottom. And once that's done, you need a metal pry tool, or you can use a suction cup. With a suction cup, it is slightly harder to open the phone up, or it's just harder in general to open up the phone and get into it because of the water and dust resistant seal. So you also need one of those if you're replacing. Did I say what I was going to replace? No. I don't know how to replace the camera. But anyways, let's just get straight into it by removing the battery screws and bracket, and disconnect the battery. Pry it up. You shouldn't use a metal screwdriver, pointy metal stuff to pry up the battery, but it's an old Apple battery, so yeah. Anyways, we can just keep unscrewing the display bracket. And once that's done, can remove it and disconnect all of the connectors. And there we go. That's our 6S display. You don't have to remove the battery, you can just leave it disconnected. Just wanted to say. But anyways, you can disconnect the camera cable. Remove these two screws holding in the camera bracket. You can just remove that from the phone. There you go. And then you can take out your camera. Now put those aside, and you could get your new camera or spare camera. And then you can just put the camera back in and connect its flex cable. And then put on the camera bracket. So now that that's done, you can get your display and reconnect it. Connect these cables and put the bracket back onto the phone and screw in its Phillips screws. Now that that's done, can put the battery back in, press it down, connect the battery, screw in the bracket. So now I can finish screwing in the last screw for the battery. There we go. Now you can close the phone up. There we go. And then screw in the 2 pentlobe screws on the bottom. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Actually, go check out my Twitter at ufelix5. I don't post on there that as often as some other people, but still I post there. Can get some cool stuff that I don't usually post on YouTube, like dumpster dive finds and other stuff. So yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.